What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Ethereum and the Bitcoin price. Everybody's getting extremely bearish at the moment. I'm going to remain bullish because I'm going to show you a setup that we are mirroring from late February. If we continue to mirror this setup, this means that we are going to be pumping in the next coming weeks, okay? These bearish divergence was mentioned yesterday in our Twitter account, guys. If you don't follow us on Twitter, the link is in the description if you feel like following us. We post the latest articles, news, technical analysis, so the link is in the description. We'll be taking a look at Ethereum also in the short term on the 1 hourly chart to see where we can potentially go. And Bitcoin formed this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern that was mentioned yesterday in our live stream. I give you my bullish, my bearish scenario, and then you can follow whatever you want if you feel like it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and make sure to smash up the like button, guys. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. Also, if you're interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $10,000, you're getting $5,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. Any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out. Said this, let's go straight to the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Okay, I want to zoom out here on the Ethereum price, and I want to show you this incredible setup that is mirroring from late February. Okay, we can see a clear resistance point here on the Ethereum price at $2,900, and it does look like that we are forming this kind of inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. We had this insane bullish divergence, that's why we're having this amazing bounce. So if I zoom out here in the chart, we are going to go to late February. Okay, from the 20th of February we did form something very similar. So let's zoom here on the chart and look what we can see. We see these massive bullish divergence also on the RSI while the price was going down, as you can see right over here. Something very similar that just happened for the Ethereum price. What else can we see? That we have this major resistance point also, okay, right over here. So we did create an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. We are currently right now round about these levels, okay, for the Ethereum price. If we still follow this, this means that we are going to be pumping in the next coming weeks. We can see that we had this massive capitulation phase, then we had this dead cat bounce, and then came a little bit lower, forming this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern with this huge bullish divergence. Look at the similarities that we have here right now for the Ethereum price. Okay, we can see that we had this massive capitulation phase, then we had the dead cat bounce, and then we formed these lower lows, and now it looks like with the bullish divergence we're getting this insane bounce. So there is some similarities. Let's see if this is going to play out in the next coming weeks. So what I want to see right now is the Ethereum price on the 1 hourly chart, because if we go below certain levels, this is going to be invalidated. So now the Ethereum price could even come to the $2,200 range, and this will still be looking very nice, okay, because we can see that the left shoulder, okay, is round about the $2,200. There was a little bit of volatility here with these wicks, but we still didn't come below the actual head, okay, as you can see here on the chart. So yes, we could drop even lower, and I'm still going to remain bullish. When I'm going to remain bearish, when we drop below the $2,000 range, okay, where I have this green box area. This is the very last point of the left shoulder, and also we'll be arriving to the head here, and this green box is where the VPVR has a huge amount of volume. Okay, I was saying that the last point of touch in one of my last videos is the $1,700, and I do think that this should hold really nicely as support for the Ethereum price, the $1,700 range. So we can come as low as 2,200. I'll still remain bullish, but if we come to the $2,000, I'm going to start feeling a little bit bearish. Okay, so it is the weekend also coming for Ethereum, so we can see a little bit of sideways and bearish momentum. This is what usually happens in the weekend, and then we have to see on Monday if we're going to start pumping, or depending on the market sentiment also. So this is what I got for Ethereum. The most bullish scenario here would be getting a bounce from this support level. As you can see, I marked with the orange box. It's been major resistance and support, so we could perfectly get a bounce from here. But it is Friday, the weekend is coming. Usually the sentiment is a little bit more bearish. Okay, so maybe sideways action, or even drop to $2,200 range and then sideways. So guys, this is what I'm expecting for the weekend. And let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin also, we did mention this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern in yesterday's stream, like I mentioned in the intro. And now the measured move would be coming all the way down to the $34,000. Okay, we get the head all the way to the support level, and from the drop we can see the next major support is 34,000. So it is very, very likely that we might even come down in between today, tomorrow and Sunday. It is the weekend, a little bit bearish. Sideways action or to the downside. Okay, sideways action, I do add up that we might be pumping here a little bit also. So as you can see, I marked this major support level, which is the $34,000. We did touch it here several times as support, and we had just a massive wick all the way down to 31,000. So I do believe that 34,000 should hold nicely. If we come back down to the $31,000 area, I'm going to start remain bearish in the short term. Okay, just like Ethereum, if we drop all the way down to $2,000, I'm going to start analyzing to see what is going to happen. I will be turning a little bit bearish also here for Bitcoin going down to the 31,000. So what can we expect in the weekend? I think this is going to happen because the measured move here from this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern is all the way down to $34,000. I think this is very, very probable in the next coming hours. And yes, guys, this is what I got for the Bitcoin price. It is the weekend. It is going to get boring, sideways action, maybe a little bit to the downside. So guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, I'll be leaving a link in the description. You've got price predictions, exchange reviews. Okay, here you can see where the best bonuses are of different exchanges, leverage trading platforms, and also different exchanges such as Binance and FTX. So you can compare the best bonus and fees here on the website. We've got price predictions, the latest news and technical analysis. The link is in the description. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade, video popping up on the screen. Massive thank you for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.